You all must have heard of Metformin. This is the most common medicine used for type 2 diabetes. And nowadays, every other house someone is dealing with diabetes. And you know what? The scientist has discovered something very amazing about this medicine is how it works. It is not the same what we thought of from last 60 years. And trust me, what you are going to learn will completely change the way how you see this medicine. Till now, scientists believe that metformin mainly works in two places: the liver, where it reduces the sugar production, and the gut, where it helps to control the glucose absorption. And this explanation made sense for years. And here comes the interesting part. Scientists start to question, what if there is some another organ involved in this? A recent study published in Science Advances looked into something unexpected: the brain, especially the part of brain called ventromedial hypothalamus. Now, don't get confused by the complicated name. This part of brain controls your hunger, energy, and even blood sugar levels. So basically, it acts like a control center for your metabolism. And what they found here is where the things get really, really interesting. In this area of brain, there are special cells called SF1 neurons. Think of them like the tiny controllers which control your body's sugar level. Now here comes the key player, a protein named as RAP1. This protein works as a switch. When switch is on, metformin works. But when this switch is off, metformin stops working. Yes, it's that important. Scientists tested this on mice, and what they found was when they removed the RAP1 protein from the brain, metformin had no effect on the blood sugar levels, but the other treatments like insulin still worked. This clearly shows that brain pathway is not optional, it's very important. And what comes next is shocking. When scientists gave small amount of metformin directly to the brain, the blood sugar levels still decreased. Even the lower doses than normal tablets worked. This clearly shows that brain is extremely sensitive to metformin. Now you might be thinking, does this change my treatment? Not immediately, but in future this will lead to better and targeted treatments, lower doses and fewer side effects. Now before you leave, here are some quick tips to control blood sugar naturally. Eat fiber rich food items, walk at least for 20 to 30 minutes, manage stress and get proper sleep. So next time when you think of diabetes, remember, it's not just about what you eat, it's also about how your brain controls your body. So if you have learned something new today, just comment brain below and follow for more science related videos. And remember, science is not complicated. It's just explained in a complicated way. Till then, bye.